Pause for a second and read first 3 lines of your resume, because your resume is the first thing that recruiter sees. Be honest, does it actually say anything about you or what you have done in your career? If not, so you are missing the most important part of your resume. So in this video, I will show you how to fix your resume summary with a simple formula that will work for junior, fresher or seniors. So let's start with this. First is resume summary. So resume summary is the first 2 to 3 lines of your introduction at the top of your resume. It should contain what you are, who you are, and what you have done so that the recruiter will hire you. So these are the main 3 points that should be covered into your resume summary. Second thing comes as the formula that we can use it and write the resume summary. So first let me tell you, I will be using my own resume to show you this step by step that how to make your strong and effective resume. Okay, so just stay continue and watch this. Here is the formula. You have to first focus on job title, year of experience, skills and one achievement. Try to add your core technologies and the achievements. Achievements is related to something like you have done some performance optimization or you have reduced some efforts over there. So try to add the numbers also, because numbers have more weightage than the words. Try to add this kind of achievement into your resume summary, not like you are hardworking and passionate, but it's not giving the information about you. Okay, so you have to more focus on your achievement in your careers. So let's take an example that how you can write it. So first I will be giving the example of experienced candidate from my own resume. So here if you see in my resume, as per the formula, I have mentioned that first thing is a job title. So I have given that .NET full stack developer I am. Second thing I mentioned that year of experience. So I have 4+ year of experience. And third thing I mentioned the tech stack. So what I have done, I'm giving more action words also here that I have designed and developed this scalable web application and strong expertise in .NET Core, Angular. These are my tech stack. Now fourth point I told like achievement. So what kind of achievement like I have added here is on track record of reducing deployment error by 40%, optimize API performance by 30%. These are my achievements in my career. So that will give more emphasis. And I have plus point I have added is the numbering also, that this much efforts I have given and this is my achievement in this my career, IT career. They want to know about this, not the anything that is not relevant to your IT careers. Okay, so they want to know about these things. So here if you see in my resume, so this is my summary and I have added all the 4 points which I have mentioned you, and that I have mentioned from my own experience. Because of that I got 100+ calls from a Naukri. If you want to know how to optimize your Naukri profile, watch this video. This will very helpful for you because I have shared my own experience over there. And if you talk about the freshers, so you can go something like that, like I am a computer science engineer skilled in Java, SQL and Python, built a college project using Spring Boot, MySQL, and looking to start a career in backend development, because they don't have career experience achievements, but achievement they can mention about like they have done any kind of project. And if you are a senior role like more than 4 years, you can go about like that, like senior software engineer with 6+ year of experience in microservices and the cloud, lead a team of 5 and improve deployment speed by 40% using Dockers and Jenkins. So here they are also we are using tech stacks and everything. So this is how you can go with different roles and you can go with the writing your summary. But this is the main formula you can use. Any kind of role can use this simple formula and write your own summary and get noticed by the recruiters. Your resume is your first impression, so don't waste it. Make it short and real. So if you need more job hacks related to your resume, stay tuned. I will be coming with more videos how to optimize your resume and get it selected by the recruiter. Subscribe to Namaste Nerds.